Alright everybody, we are back out at the shed. Today we are going to finish bracing the walls. Meaning by that, we got to get these guys in across the way on these guys, all over here and this wall. And then we will start framing in the door. Woohoo! It's going to be a fun day. Anyway, I also want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for your support and making this channel grow. We're sitting at 70 right now. Yay! So thrilled. Also check out my TikTok. I'll leave a link in the description right here. At 2, once I get to 100, we'll figure out what I'm gonna do. Something fun. Because it's taking a while. It's been about been a while since I've gotten so many subscribers so fast. But anyway, also follow me. Like I said, my TikTok, which is right here. Also my Instagram, which is right here. We will be doing some fun things. Winter's coming. I got a couple of projects planned here for this next week or so. I've been putting off one project for, let's say about 6 months now. It's been sitting on the back burner because of all this stuff going on. But yeah, we're going to get to that soon, hopefully. You guys will like it. Anyway, hopefully. But that's what we're going to do today, get those done. I forgot a tool, but we can't finish that project today. But we're going to get the walls braced and done. And hopefully that'll be done. And tomorrow when we come back, we can finish the other stuff and try to get the walls, the paneling on the walls, at least on the back side and the sides, done. I'll give you guys a little update if you can see it too much. We got all the support boards in. I got the support and the rafters done. All those ones are all done. The back ones, front ones are done. We also got the doorway framed and ready to go. Now, I can't do much because I forgot my freaking caulking gun. So I'm gonna have to run home and get it real quick. Come back, we're gonna caulk this outside edges with some sealant. Get ready to go, and hopefully we get a couple of these sides up maybe on the back or something. And we can store some of our stuff in here. It won't be having it covered up so much. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. Well guys, that kind of ends it for today. I gotta go get me a caulking gun. But this afternoon I gotta get some other stuff done on another project that I don't want to do, but I have to because let's just say I need a vehicle. So I'll probably work on that tonight a little bit, and hopefully I can get it done this weekend, but we'll see. Other than that, we'll be back out here tomorrow after we go to the store and get like a caulking gun. We can seal these outside edges, and it won't take very long to put these panelings up. Piece of cake on the outside, then we just gotta get the material for the roof because it's still stuff in there. Till tomorrow, guys. I'll talk to you a little later. Peace. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We are out at the shed. There's a shed though. It's still a skeleton. Still got no roof on it. That's what we're going to be doing today. Sides and roof. Sides are sitting there. The panelings. Roof is in the garage. All ready to go. Shingles and everything. But anyway. So we're going to be doing today, just a FYI, how many subscribers? Yes, this is a shed build. This is a DIY project. Thank you guys for all your support too. I know this one's been a longer thing because the weather's not been holding out too well. Right now it is currently like 50 degrees. It's chilly. You guys can tell. Can't see the breath, but anyway. I'll look 30. We're building that, and hope you guys enjoy this. It's just going to be time lapse the whole thing. I'll explain on the way while we're actually going. Alright guys, so what we're using is a 1/4 inch long staples. Yeah, in our staple gun. These are what's the whole sides on, and here we go. So it's been about 2 hours since we've been out here this morning. We do have all the sides done except for the part where the roof attaches onto. We'll bring that a little bit. But everything's done. You can tell here's the sides down that way. I'll walk over to the left here. You can see that right there. It's all done. But yeah, it's been interesting. And then the back. So what we gotta do now is we gotta trim these down to where we need them, make them straight. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. That's what we're doing next, and hope you guys enjoy. Just nothing but me working and maybe some talking. Alright guys, well, I lost my batteries, my power for the GoPros for the filming. After the sides went, so we got the roof on too as well. I'll throw some pictures up right here right now. But with the whole situation with everything, it is what it is right now. Something's off and the roof is not squaring up for some reason. I think I got something off, but anyway, we'll figure it out. It is done for today. There's the storms are coming in, if you guys can tell. And these clouds are coming in. You guys can tell. You can't really would make it justice, but it's supposed to be about 20 degrees tonight in Utah, so it's getting cold. But I gotta go home work on another project. But if you guys like this video, like it, share it, subscribe if you want to subscribe for more. Leave us a comment. Also follow me on TikTok. I'll leave my stuff in the descriptions on my Instagram as well. So other than that, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that, and yeah, let's keep sharing this content. And thanks all for new subscribers. We will talk to you guys in the next video or next clip with the shed. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Peace.